Have you ever pondered about the power to alter our very genetic fabric to eradicate diseases or even enhance our abilities? Welcome to the fascinating world of genome editing, a realm where the very building blocks of life are at our fingertips. In the simplest of terms, genome editing is a form of genetic engineering. It allows us to insert, delete, modify, or replace DNA within the genome of a living organism. Imagine being able to pick and choose the genes we want, much like selecting ingredients for a recipe. This could lead to healthier generations, free from the shackles of genetic diseases. Perhaps we could even go a step further and enhance human abilities, pushing the boundaries of what we currently perceive as possible. But while the potential for good is immense, it's important to remember that with great power comes great responsibility. Yes, the possibilities seem endless and exciting, but like every powerful tool, it comes with its own set of challenges. While the potential of genome editing is awe-inspiring, it also harbors a darker side. The ability to manipulate the very essence of life is an immense power, and like all power, it carries the potential for misuse. The same technology that can create healthier generations could also be used to engineer harmful organisms. Imagine, for a moment, the creation of killer mosquitoes, genetically modified to carry and spread deadly diseases. Or consider the devastation that could be wrought by bioterrorists, using genome editing to create strains of dangerous viruses resistant to current vaccines. These are not merely the stuff of science fiction, but real possibilities that we must confront as genome editing becomes more widespread. Then there's the ethical conundrum of designer babies. While on the surface, the idea of eradicating hereditary illnesses is appealing, the implications go far beyond this. If parents can choose their child's traits, are we not at risk of creating a society where certain attributes are valued above others, leading to genetic discrimination? Genome editing is a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or ill. It's crucial to remember that just because we can do something, it doesn't necessarily mean we should. As we step into this brave new world of genetic manipulation, we must tread carefully, guided by ethics and an understanding of potential repercussions. The power to manipulate life's building blocks can be as dangerous as it is promising. So, how do we balance this immense power that genome editing holds? In the realm of genome editing, the weight of responsibility is not to be taken lightly. This technology, with its potential to reshape life as we know it, calls for a delicate dance of power. It's a dance that requires the right partners: regulation, ethical guidelines, and public consensus. Regulation is not just about imposing restrictions. It's about ensuring that the power of genome editing is wielded with prudence and precision. It's about safeguarding humanity from the misuse of this potential, whether it's the creation of killer mosquitoes or vaccine-resistant viruses. Ethical guidelines, on the other hand, are critical to ensure that our actions align with our values. They serve as a compass, guiding us through the labyrinth of moral dilemmas that genome editing brings. They remind us that just because we can doesn't always mean we should. And then there's public discourse. The power of genome editing should not be confined to the laboratories and boardrooms. It's a conversation that needs to be had in classrooms, homes, and public squares. It's a discourse that invites each one of us to ponder on the kind of world we want to create and live in. Scientific transparency and responsible innovation are the cornerstones of this balance. They ensure that the power of genome editing is not cloaked in secrecy, but illuminated by knowledge and understanding. The path ahead with genome editing is a delicate balance, requiring meticulous thought, responsible action, and open conversation. So, what does the future hold for genome editing? Well, the horizon is as vast as it is exciting. As we delve deeper into the complexities of our genetic code, the possibilities for advancement are truly limitless. Ongoing research is unlocking new ways to fight diseases, extend lifespan, and even enhance our physical and cognitive abilities. Imagine a world where Alzheimer's is a thing of the past, where cancer is no more threatening than a common cold, or where humans can adapt to explore the depths of the ocean or the outer reaches of space. Yet with great power comes great responsibility. It's crucial that we tread this path with caution, ensuring ethical guidelines are in place to prevent misuse. It's equally important for the public to understand and participate in this conversation, shaping the direction of this revolutionary field. In the end, the future of genome editing is not just in the hands of scientists, but in all of ours.